Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with stretched resolution. First, understand that stretched resolution alters your game's aspect ratio, making targets appear wider and easier to hit. This can give you a competitive edge by making enemy players appear larger on your screen. We'll cover the steps to achieve this, focusing on the practical application rather than just the theory. Get ready to enhance your gameplay experience. To apply stretched resolution, you'll typically start by accessing your device's display settings. Look for options that allow you to customize or create a new resolution. A common choice is a 16:9 aspect ratio, such as 1440 by 1080, which provides a good balance. After setting this, it's crucial to ensure your in-game PUBG Mobile settings are also adjusted to match the new aspect ratio for the best visual outcome. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this guide on stretched resolution helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Your support means a lot. On another note, gaming sessions can be long, and staying fueled is key. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. There are clear advantages to using stretched resolution. The most significant is that enemy models appear wider, which can genuinely make them easier to hit. Many players also report a slight increase in frame rates, leading to smoother gameplay. However, it's not without its downsides. The primary disadvantage is a distorted field of view, which can make distant objects appear smaller and harder to spot, requiring some adjustment to your playstyle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.